guys, back to the doghouse today. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. It's a really nice day here in Ontario, so I want to fire up the truck and maybe take for a little rip. I don't know, maybe I'll just wash it up. But the main thing is I got to see if it'll fire up. It should. It was running when I put it away last year. Famous last words. But anyway, I got an oil leak again this year. I had it last year, if you remember. I had tons of oil all over the garage floor, and I got it all over again this year. Last year it turned out it was a shifter mechanism thing that the plug inside of the transmission was leaking. I replaced that and it seemed to be good all summer, but I noticed there's some kind of moisture all over the floor under the truck again. But first I want to see if I can get it fired up and bring it around to the front and get it washed up. So stick around for the 2024 spring fire up of the Fargo. Well, the guys got it started without too much trouble. I did put in a electric fuel pump last year, so that really helped. But here's the oil I got all over the floor again. See, that's soaked. That's pink, so it's transmission fluid again. Huh. Oh well. Up in the hoist and see what the problem is again. But anyway, it's a beautiful day. Looks like Texas sky there. Hey, Rocker Pat. But don't have any leaves on the trees yet. So anyway, we'll bring her around and get her cleaned up. Transmission fluid. I gotta get the revs up. there. Breathe the fresh air. My God, it's dirty though. I guess I should cover it up. That's just all the dirt from being in the garage, all the sand in and everything. But anyway, we got it cleaned up, make it look good.